I got 2 stores, but can't decide on niche for 2. One of the niches was epoxy lamps. What's like an epoxy lamp? Epoxy lamp. That's actually pretty fucking cool. That's a cool niche. Okay, I'm gonna bring up my share screen and show you guys. Like, it's not gangster because it's necessarily the best niche in the world. I'm not saying that. Don't get excited, guys. But I'm just saying it's fucking cool. It just looks interesting as fuck. What do you mean you can't decide? Just choose. Just action, 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 action. If you spend $75 in ads and you've got 0 sales, then you know it's shit and you don't fucking do that. Yeah? Like, just action, 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 action over everything. Okay? Everything. This thing. These things. These look cool as fuck. Like interstellar epoxy lamp, like £51 for it, £67 for it. Bestseller, bestseller, bestseller. Bestseller, bestseller. Just put it out there. One sale, one sale, one sale, one sale. Just putting it out there, guys. This is a cool ass niche. Come back and there's like a million of the same products. But yeah, it's a cool niche, right? Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.